Everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to access your statement with the Royal Bank of Canada. Now, this is primarily done through the digital banking platforms. Now, here's a breakdown of how to do it via online banking and the mobile app. I'm going to start with online banking via web browser. You have to go to rbcroyalbank.com and sign into your online banking account. Next, you have to navigate to statements or documents. From the account summary page, look for and select the statement or document option. This is often located at the top right of the screen. Next, you have to follow the on-screen instructions to download and view your bank, credit card, investment, loan, mortgage, or tax documents. You can usually select a specific statement period using a drop-down menu. You can also access your available tax documents on the same page using the Tax Documents tab. Here are the key points. Royal Bank of Canada encourages the use of e-statements, which are electronic versions of your paper statement, and these are accessible through the online banking and the mobile app. Now, Royal Bank of Canada typically archives statements for a certain period that is up to 7 years. Always verify that you are on the official Royal Bank of Canada website or using the official Royal Bank of Canada mobile app to protect your account information. Now, if you want to find out more details, go to the official RBC's website. For tutorials and frequently asked questions on accessing account statements, specifically the Access Your Account Statement Royal Bank of Canada Royal Bank page is very useful. Hope you found this video helpful.